Hey, want to learn how to manage forms in Claude? Well, follow me to my desktop right now. Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your forms straight inside of Claude AI. That means that we don't have to be on our workspace to actually manage our forms. So it's pretty useful. Let me show you how. So let's go ahead and open up Claude, and this is my Claude chat right here. And I can go ahead and ask it to do many things inside of Claude with my Jotform account, including managing my forms. So let's get started with this purpose. Now, be aware that to make this happen, you do need to have it connected to your Jotform account. In this case, if I hit this little plus button and I go to connectors, I can see that Jotform is enabled right here. If you don't have Jotform, please go to manage connectors, click on this plus button, browse connectors, and search for Jotform. Once that's done, you'll see it listed right here, and that means that you've connected Claude with Jotform. That way we can manage our forms. Okay, so let's head on out of the customizer, and let's go ahead and first list the forms that we have in Jotform. So let's go ahead and ask it right now. And here we go. Let's go ahead and send this off right now, and it's going to go into my Jotform account without having for me to go to my Jotform workspace, and it's going to list my forms right here. And here we go. We now have the forms available here with a little bit of information. So it knows that I have 7 Jotform forms right here. And a few things, it's a couple in Spanish and some in English. So it analyzed that while it's grabbing the forms. And we now have a list of the forms. Now we can do several things right here, including sorting these forms. That means that if I want to sort this in a certain order, I can do so right now. So let me go ahead and ask it right now to sort these. Here we go, sending this off, and I wanted to sort it with alphabetical orders using the first letter in the title. Now I can sort these by form submissions, by other type of things that might be useful for me. And here we go, it is now sorted. Now, instead of me thinking of how we can sort these, I can ask Claude AI to tell me what sorting I can do. So let's go ahead and ask it. Here we go. Let's go ahead and send this off. And now it's going to tell me what it can potentially do and ask it to do it afterwards. So it's pretty useful that it gives me these ideas. For example, last activity, most recent created, oldest created, number of submissions, last submitted, alphabetical, group by languages, group by purpose. And these are great ideas to optimize how I'm going to sort my forms and view them. So it's useful for me. If I like some of these suggestions, I can use it right now by just telling Claude AI right here. So it's pretty easy and practical. Now, what if you have multiple, maybe hundreds of forms inside of your Jotform account? How can I search for these? Maybe something specific, maybe something hard. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is search for a form. Let me see what these forms has. Let's find the purchase form. Find for me purchase forms. So in this case, I don't have many forms, so it's pretty easy for them to find, even for me. But if I had multiple forms, this would help me out. And here it is. It's this one, the office supplies purchase request form. I can go ahead and view this form right now in Jotform in case I want to edit this, view submissions, etc. So it's easy for me to find these right here. Now let's ask it, what other ways can it use to search for forms? Here we go, sending this off, and it's going to let me know what I could potentially use to search for forms. Now, why is this useful? Because afterwards, I can save time by knowing what I actually want. So for example, it could be by language, by business name, by dead weight, hunt, what's hot right now. So it has submissions, but they are recent, by keywords, by how active they are, by date. And it's really useful and practical knowing this, because now I know I can take full advantage of Claude AI, and these are things that it might take me longer to do. So this is pretty useful. Now let me show you the next feature. How about managing the form in a way that it edits the titles? So I'm going to improve the titles on all my forms, not just one. So let's go ahead and do so right now. Here we go. Let's go ahead and send this off. Now, yes, I can go ahead and customize one title and tell it the overall idea that I want, or I can describe exactly what the title I want, and it's going to do it for me. But this takes it to another level, giving it the freedom of thinking even broader than I would to optimize those titles. Is pretty cool that we have this option. So currently it's working. It's analyzing the actual forms right now, the titles that they have, and what would be the potential best next title. And here it is. Here's my plan for before and after. And here we go. So for the feedback one, customer feedback survey, too big on its own. So these are all going to be improved for me. So these are the forms that I have right now. It's 7 forms, and it's going to improve them. So here we go. It's optimizing the titles for me. And it's pretty easy and useful to edit the forms right here. And here we go. It's just going to continue and get the work done for me. All right. So you can see how easy it is to manage your forms inside of Claude AI without having to be inside of your Jotform workspace. So what are you waiting for? Connect right now, Claude with Jotform, and take full advantage of the AI with your forms. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about this integration and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when the new videos come out. And that's a wrap.